Good morning, friends. Kristen here, and you're watching Cheers to the Magic. It may or may not be morning where you're watching, but it's morning here right now. So, last night I spent the night in a room at Disney's Yacht Club Resort for our Fantastical Vacations Travel Agency annual meeting. So, today I thought I would show you guys the room, do a little room tour. So, let's take a look. Okay, starting at the front, it's the door. Amazing. Okay. So when you come into the door, on your right here, you have your little coffee station, and let's take a look. You got a little, I guess it's not a fridge necessarily. This is like a beverage cooler down here. It actually even says down there, it cools to 41 degrees and above. And then we got a little drawer here. And in this resort, it is a deluxe resort. They have the nice little Keurig coffee machine. You got your little ice container there and some coffee supplies, some cups, travel cups. And then this is the view from right when you walk in the door. So on the left here, you have your bathroom. You've got your big barn door kind of situation there. So you can actually close off the whole bathroom. And then on your right here, you've got a little closet space. So this side has two different doors. It's got some hanging space and a couple of shelves here. And the other side is gonna be your hangers, kind of your taller hanging space. Now this side also does have a full-length mirror. And then you've also got even a little bit more storage space over here on this side with a couple more shelves and another little door with your safe, your ironing stuff, all that good stuff. All right, now to the bathroom. Hi, it's me. So we've got our big mirror here, so much lighting. I will tell you guys, the lighting in here, if you get real close to the mirror, it will show you everything about yourself. So, you got some towels here on the wall, got wastebasket, got our stuff hanging out. They do have the standard Disney stuff here. You've got your vanity kit, your shower cap, and some body lotion, little soap bar, and then you do have your little magnifying light mirror here. The sunscreen does not come with the room. That's mine. And then here are some washcloths. And then there's lots of storage space like I showed you down there. But then on this side to the left here is gonna be the toilet room and the shower. We can get the lights on there. So we got our toilet. They've got some towels here. You do have two hanging racks up here. Hang your towels on. And then we've got this big door that just kind of opens outward. Let me show you the whole thing there. And then a nice little shower. And you've got your, again, the standard Disney products for the shower. One thing to note about the shower, be careful when you step in, because I don't know if you guys can tell there, the slope. It can be a little steep and it can also be a little slippery. And then you've got your nice little, you got the handheld and then the rain shower head. It's a pretty nice shower. So, all right, we're going to turn around, go in a circle, turn that light off. All right, into the main room. This room is a connecting room, so you do have the connecting door there. We are not attached to anybody, so we do have that deadbolt loft up there. I've got our little luggage thing out here, but you've got a nice little place here with lots more drawers. There's a lot of storage in this room. And then down here you've got an extra pillow and blanket. Got your fun TV, tells you your name, makes it feel nice and personal. And then this room is a resort view room, and it does have two queen beds. So we've got our queen bed here with the little Mickey shaped towel. Love coming into these little Disney touches. Obviously we stayed here last night, so that's why I tried to make the room look nice and presentable for you guys, but our stuff is a little all over the place. So our second queen bed over here, you do have lots of lighting above each bed. There is a little counter over here that does have an outlet. And then also on this wall is your thermostat. It goes down to 65 degrees. We did test that last night because we were so hot all day. You got a little nightstand in the middle here with some more drawers. And then your phone, trusty phone. And there's some outlets down here as well. And then each bed does have 2 reading lights on either side of the bed. And then across the way, let me show you guys the view from over here. So we're looking back at the other side there. You do have a nice couch over there, which folds down to be a single bed. They've got the instructions kind of folded down over there. Look at that. Got some artwork, some nautical themed artwork. And these curtains are so cool. Look, it's like the constellations. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can see that. Ooh, I let it go. That's pretty neat. The decor in here is pretty cool, I think. So then you do also have a desk over here. You got another mirror, lamp, and then a lot of outlets over here. There's not, oh, I didn't even notice. There's like a little table you can pull out down here. You pull the chair out. Let's see about that. Yeah, it just rolls out. That's cool. So you can have, you know, that desk there, and then you've got an extra little shorter desk that you can pull out as well. And then you've got your Hey Disney here. And again, more outlets. So there are a lot of outlets in this room. Hi, friends. Okay. Let's take a look outside here. All the condensation on the window. So let's see. We've got this here that keeps the door shut. And then you've also got a little, sorry, I'm kind of all over the place with the camera right now. You've got a little bolt here that you can also close. And here we are. So we've got our resort view of the tennis court. And then these balconies are pretty big. Got lots of space over here. Got our little table and 2 chairs here. Goes all the way over there. And then I'm kind of overlooking the awning here, but that's also the smaller quiet pool over here on the opposite side of the yacht club from where Stormalong Bay is. So, and then you can also see right there, whoop, there it is, the tip of the Dolphin Resort back behind us there. It's a nice morning out here. A little muggy, but nice. So let me give you a view from the side here so you can get an idea. This is how big this balcony is. It's a very, very good size. There could even be more furniture out here, I think. And there it is from back here, our room. So it's a very big, nice and spacious room. There's some shoes. Just ignore those. I'll say upon coming inside, that door is a little bit difficult to lock. So I guess it just depends what you're, I'm sure they're not all like that, but that one's a little, it's seen better days. I had to kind of like put some strength into it and like hold it that way and then put the little hangy thing in there. Anyways, so that concludes our little room tour of the Resort View room here at the Yacht Club. Thoughts? I enjoyed it. It was just one night, but this is a very comfortable room. I mean, it's definitely more space to spread out if you have a family of, I believe this room would sleep 5, so you'd have plenty of space in here for everybody to have some breathing room. And the beds were comfortable. The shower was pretty good. I mean, the pressure, I have my shower pressure pretty high at home, so to me last night the shower pressure was like a little bit low, but not bad. I mean, it was a nice shower. I slept lovely. I was also very tired last night, so I think I would have slept anywhere, but the bed was comfortable and the temperature got nice in here, which is always a plus. Because, you know, some of the rooms don't get quite as cool as others. It depends on where you are. But overall, a good room. And let me know if you have stayed here in the past and if you like it. This resort is in the deluxe category, so it is going to be higher priced. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. And if you get ready to plan your next vacation, I am a travel advisor with Fantastical Vacations. I would love to help you out. You can reach me at the quote request form, which is going to be linked in the description below. All right, guys, thank you for following along on this little resort tour. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you can follow along for all of the Disney and travel fun that we have here. I really appreciate you guys and your support, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers to the magic.